hmm I'm just looking at these rights. Yeah. hmm this privacy is protected by the Washington State Constitution. Yeah. Fourth Amendment of the U.S. Constitution, which prohibits unreasonable searches and seizures. Yeah. Now, police officers must have a search warrant based on probable cause before they can search you or your possessions. Yes. But I thought police officers were issuing their own warrants for individuals' arrests. Now, December 31st, uh-huh, the probable cause arrest of myself being in Sequim, Washington. Yeah. This says that reasonable suspicion, yeah, is less than probable cause, but it still requires some facts, not a hunch, rumor, or curiosity. If the officer asks you a question or you just issue a warrant in one city and you serve it in another, yes, without the actual necessary oath or affirmation signing it, I just wanted to know of every warrant for my arrest, exactly, well, I know I missed the arraignment date of August 21st of 2017. Right. My last known address was Mike Van Proyen's address. You transported me across county lines because you had a warrant for Judge Landis. Yes. Where they thought it was really funny that it was $500,100. I thought it was excessive. Ooch. And then when I got to the arraignment, I asked the judge to read the protection order because the petitioner didn't sign it. And then I asked the judge, well, where'd you send the notice of the court hearings? Last known address. How did 1023 Kitchen Dick Road end up being my last known address? How did that address, how did it become, yes, the last known address of all those warrants that were issued? At least two of them, but when I take into consideration the traffic citation, what was the last known address? Oh, homeless, right, Port Angeles, Washington. Now, why was it that the Port Angeles Police Department arrested me on January 4th? Yes. Was there a warrant for my arrest, or it was a probable cause warrant for my arrest? Yes. Or you arrested me and then you had me interviewed? Yes. And I told Officer Larson I wasn't in Squim. But you did not want to believe that because you had to cover up the felony of international baby abduction. How did 1023 Kitchen Dick Road end up on all the notices of subpoena, summons, and notice? How did that address become the last known address? Now, for the different times that you served me, yes. When you served me the dissolution of marriage and you arrested me, yes. At 1023 Kitchen Dick Road, yes. Did that become my last known address? I just wanted to know, yes. For all the warrants, Judge Porter, Judge Landis, how did the last known address become 1023 Kitchen Dick Road? Why has Mike Van Proyen been involved in my life? Yes. And why am I being obstructed from being able to speak to Marilyn Van Proyen? Now, I would have thought, yes, if you had put homeless on the failure to appear warrants, yes, Port Angeles, Washington, that there might have been a police officer that did know who I was. Yes. But somebody's been issuing warrants for probable cause arrests, yes, in one city and serving them in another. Yes, they have. Now, there's a possibility, yes, of a huge lawsuit for intentionally going around the requirement to explain to a judge, yes, why you have a probable cause belief, yes, that someone committed a crime, right, and that you have the probable cause right to question the individual. Now, I was never required to consent to a search. Yes. When you arrested me at the Salvation Army? Yes. When you arrested me at the Fifth Wheel? Yes. When you arrested me out front of the PBH? Yes. When you arrested me at the public library? Yes. How is it possible that you keep arresting? You know, what is a warrant based on probable cause? A warrant is written permission issued by a judge, yes, for a police to search a personal location for evidence of a crime. Mhm. Generally, warrants must be obtained by police before they conduct a search. Yes. And police can only obtain them if they show the judge that they have probable cause. Yes. How many police departments can issue a warrant for a person's arrest? Mhm. Based upon the right to question them, yes, about where they were at a certain day or time. Is there any possibility that the two police departments went around the requirements